for alligator, big and green. He swims in the river, barely seen. B is for bear, so furry and brown. He loves his honey and jumps up and down. C is for cat, with whiskers and fur. She purrs so softly and loves to purr. D is for dog, who loves to bark. He runs and plays in the sunny park. E is for elephant, big and gray. He waves his trunk and walks all day. F is for fox, so clever and quick. He hides in the trees with a sneaky trick. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat, with a long neck and gentle feet. H is for hippo, heavy and wide. She splashes around in the water with pride. I is for iguana, green and slow. He basks in the sun with a glow. J is for jellyfish, floating so free. She dances in the deep blue sea. K is for kangaroo, hopping so high. She carries her baby as she jumps by. L is for lion, with a golden mane. He roars so loud across the plain. M is for monkey, silly and fun. He swings from trees and plays in the sun. N is for night, when stars shine bright. The moon comes out and gives us light. O is for owl, wise and shy. He hoots at night and flies in the sky. P is for penguin, waddling slow. He loves the snow and the ice below. Q is for queen, with a golden crown. She rules her land in a royal gown. R is for rabbit, soft and sweet. She hops along with speedy feet. S is for snake, who slithers around. He moves so quietly without a sound. T is for tiger, fast and strong. He walks through the jungle all day long. U is for umbrella, up in the rain. It keeps us dry again and again. V is for violin, playing a tune. It sings a song beneath the moon. W is for whale, so big and blue. He splashes the sea with his mighty crew. X is for xylophone, ding, ding, ding. Let's make music and sing, sang, sing. Y is for yak, furry and bold. He lives in the mountains where it's cold. Z is for zebra, with stripes of black. He runs